Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into the Google account you want to use because Forms ties to Drive and permissions. Once signed in, open your mobile browser, Chrome or Safari, and navigate to Forms. Google.com, this is the only reliable mobile path to create a full form. Tap the big plus or new form button to begin. As you do this, make sure your connection is stable so media uploads work. You'll immediately see the editor where you add title, questions, and question types. Now add your questions and configure each one. Choose multiple choice, short answer, file upload, or drop down based on the response you want. Once done, open settings to set required fields, limit to your domain, or collect email addresses so responses are organized in Drive. When your form is ready, tap Send, then choose the link icon to generate the shareable URL. Hit copy to place it on your clipboard. If you want a cleaner link, toggle shorten URL before copying for easier sharing. Finish by pasting the copied link into the app you'll use to share, email, chat, or social. Once distributed, monitor responses in the Forms Responses tab or open the linked Google Sheet for analysis. If people report broken access, check form settings for permission restrictions and change to anyone with the link if appropriate. If you cannot find the send button or link icon on mobile, enable Request Desktop Site or clear the browser cache and reload. This fixes most mobile UI glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.